What is the first thing I order when I go anywhere? Tell me, Marianne. Tell me what I always order. A rock shandy. It's my favorite drink. It just makes me feel like I'm in a stunning, exotic location. Langebaan. Or on a golf course. Or on a beautiful cruise liner in the Med, which is short for Mediterranean. Marianne, I told you not to wear green for this bit. We're doing visual effects with a green screen. Please go and change into something, a different color. Today's episode is how to make a rock shandy. You will need a bucket of ice, equal parts soda water and lemonade, a variety of fresh fruits. For the secret ingredient, Angostura Aromatic Bitters. Take a glass, pop in a bit of ice. Faster, Marianne, just fill it up. Now we're going to fill half soda water, half lemonade. Finally, 5 to 10 dashes of Angostura Aromatic Bitters. Give it a little swizzle, slice of fresh lemon, personal preference. Taste it, Marianne. Critique it. How much out of 5, Marianne? 20. What's this big one, Suzelle? The Lazy Rock Shandy. Same thing, guys, but in a stunning big jug. Marianne and I often order the Lazy Rock Shandy if we go, especially if we're out with our big circle of girlfriends together. All of us. Oh, we are a big group. I bet you didn't know this fact, Marianne. It was actually created as a medicine and also as a mosquito repellent. Mosquitoes won't even bite us. See, look at this. It's actually quite nice, Marianne. Smell it. It's like quite herbal. This is why they call me SuzelleDIY, Marianne. What is the outtake on a rock shandy? Start with some crushed ice, a rochet of sorbet. How fancy does that sound? Okay, and I'm going to put some drops around. Look at this. Don't go too crazy, Suzelle. Now we're going to go with our soda water lemonade, half and half. Bottoms away, Marianne. Whoa! Let's pop in some creative toppers. Melon, Marianne's favorite. Look at this little cucumber. Oh, Marianne, it's raining. Oh, get under the umbrella, jokes, it's too tiny. That'd be stupid. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Bermuda, Bahama, mama. Montego, baby, why don't we go? Nukokama. And there you have it, some delicious summery refreshments from our hearts to your lips. DIY, because anybody can. Cheers, Marianne. So good. Mauritius. Special thanks to my BFFs at Angostura for sponsoring this video. Make these stunning rock shandies at home. I want to see your own rock shandy creations. I love you guys. Bye.